This was my first year receiving a W-2 for my first job, and I really had no idea what to do. So my mom recommended me to MyFreeTaxes.com, and I'm very glad she did.
This is probably my third year in a row using it. Very easy. It's the only place to get not only your federal taxes done for free, but also your state taxes done for free.
It's all web-based, and what I liked about it is that it's very conversational. It's very interview style. Asks you questions about your life status and situation for the year, and populates all that information. So I sit down at my desk with my W-2, and I've got all my information right there, and it's able to complete it for me.
Of course, it's free, and it's really simple and quick. I was in and out in about 45 minutes.
It's not as hard as you may think, and it moves rather quickly.
I try to tell my friends to just get on there, create an account. It's really easy to set up.
If you can log into an email account, it's pretty much the same thing. You create a username and a password, and the great thing is that it saves all of your information from previous years too.
It still remembered my password and my username, so all I had to do was put that in, and it brought up my information, saving me half the time of having to go back through and re-put in information for things that it already knew about. And so it cut the amount of time to file my taxes in half.
The whole process is a wizard, so it sets you up to go through every section through a question format. So it was really simple, and you either answer yes or no, and you click a box, and if it's appropriate, it'll drop down another box and say, well, what was the exact amount?
I can save my returns to my computer, so I don't necessarily print them. So when I need to go back and find my AGI or anything like that, it's all right there. So I don't really feel like I'm cut off from my tax return, or I have to call someone to get to it. I can just log on to MyFreeTaxes at any time.
The great thing about it is that you can do it at home, and you don't need to go and brave the elements and drive anywhere. You can do it in your pajamas. So, which is probably where I've done it the past 4 or 5 years.
I would recommend MyFreeTaxes to other people because it's a time saver and it saves money, and I'm really big on both.
You'll feel proud of yourself and save money also.
I plan on using MyFreeTaxes every year from now on at this point to do my taxes.